Hey, this is Tom. This is Tom's Real Room Show. And you won't believe what I found. I was starting to clean up things a little bit, straighten things up, and I was getting rid of a lot of books that I'll never use again. And I ran across this book here. Has nothing on the outside. Oh, there it does. The Radio Amateur Handbook. Now, the first thing that comes to mind is this is one of those handbooks that the ARRL puts out for amateur radio operators and people that are interested in being an amateur radio operator. Well, it turns out that's not what this is. And let me show you something unique about it. And note, the title is all in lowercase. You see that? And it was written originally by Frederick Collins and revised by Robert Herzenberg, K4JBI. And this is the 13th edition. And the last one was copyrighted 1976. And this is like the ARRL Amateur Radio Handbook, which has all kinds of information about radios and receivers, electronics. That's what this has. And it's really, this is 1976, really dated. Transformers, different kinds of connectors. Let me see if I can't zoom in while I'm recording. Actually, well, I can, but I don't know how to do it. Jeez. Formulas. Here's some tools. The big old soldering gun. We try to stay away from those nowadays. Receiver theory. Transmitter theory. And again, this is all tubes. There's actually, it looks like, yeah, it's kind of a transistorized code oscillator for practicing a code. I actually have one of these monitors. It's got the SWR meter and a clock. I think this is also a frequency display. I've got one of these. It was made, or the kit was built by Heathkit. And boy, it's old. I'll bring it out sometime, show you. There's a nice looking chap with his old transmitter receiver combination. There's the Q codes that are shorthand for things like QRM, which means noise on the band. What else? We got definitions back here in the back. Pretty cool. I tried to find this on the internet. I could not find this. I found plenty of the ARRL handbooks, which have been sold for years. I mean, 30, 40 years. And you ought to get your hands on one of those, especially a newer one if you can, which has, integrated circuits and transistors and stuff like that. Because it has a wealth of information covering every topic. Antennas, gives you ideas of what kind of antennas you can build easily. I have, in the past, borrowed them from the local library. And one of my subscribers, Thomas, sent me a link that some of the local libraries have books that are ebooks that you can check out and read on your computer. You don't even have to go to the library. That's pretty cool. So check that out. I did a show on that a couple of months ago. Look for an ARRL Amateur Radio Handbook. Or this one, which I don't think you'll ever find. This is the Radio Amateur Handbook. Check it out. Bye-bye.